happy, healthy gut is the key to overall wellness. Those who are watching me for the first time, let me tell you, I'm an experienced qualified consulting dietitian. My name is Swati and I make videos to share right information about nutrition, health and wellness. Today I would be talking to you about how important is your gut and the trillions of microorganisms living in it. Gut is your digestive system starting from your mouth to anus. We have bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa living in it. The presence of these diverse microorganisms is important for human health. The majority of these microorganisms live in the large intestine. The total of microorganisms with their gene is known as gut microbiome or gut microbiota. The microbiome may weigh as much as 2 to 2.26 kgs, similar to our brain's weight, and is as much as important as our brain is. How intestinal microbiota being so important and what it has to do with health. Research says when you have a diverse microbiome, you are more energetic, you fall less sick, have a better mental clarity and a better well-being. But when you don't have a healthy gut, research says it is related to certain autoimmune diseases and psychological problems or emotional issues. It is all because our gut microbiome does a lot more than we can expect. Digests food which we can't digest and produces necessary nutrients, regulates our immune system, protects us from other harmful bacteria, and more importantly, we have a gut-brain axis where our gut microbiome and brain communicates with each other. So when there is an imbalance or dysbiosis of gut microbiome or our brain is under stress, we may suffer diseases related to gastrointestinal functions, psychological problems or emotional issues. For an example, serotonin, a hormone that stabilizes our mood, feelings of well-being and happiness, which also helps with eating, sleeping and digestion. A well-known neurotransmitter, which is majorly made in the digestive tract, and certain bacteria in the gut are important for the production of these serotonin. So when there is an imbalance of gut microbiota, there is an altered level of serotonin production, affecting our mood, feelings and happiness. Another example, if you have ever felt like butterflies in your tummy, when you are stressed, maybe for your exam or interview. Have you ever thought why does that happen? Isn't it clearly indicating there is an interaction between gut and the brain? Stress through gut-brain axis affects gut microbiota, creating an imbalance of diverse gut microbiota, also known as dysbiosis, which is responsible for functional gastrointestinal disorders. And this imbalance of gut microbiota further affects the synthesis of several microbial byproducts and precursors that gain access to the brain. How these microorganisms establish and settle in our body. Several evidences says the human intestinal microbiota is seeded before birth. Then through birth canal, breastfeeding, the microbial diversity increases. By the end of 3 to 5 years, the complete microbiota is established. But the diversity of microbiota depends on what kind of environment we live in. Like earlier, children were more found to play with mud, soil, were more exposed to the environment, and now they are found to be more on gadgets, TVs, etc. And this has a huge impact on the formation of healthy gut microbiota. In fact, it's found that children who have pets in their house have a better immunity because they develop to have a better gut health. This doesn't mean children have to completely be exposed to the environment, dirt and grime, but yes, completely being in a sterile condition may have an impact. And now when after this particular age of 3 to 5 years, the gut microbiome is established, the composition is relatively stable throughout adult life, but can be altered as a result of bacterial infections, that is due to bad bacteria, antibiotic treatment, surgeries, age, lifestyle, stress, and a long-term change in diet or unhealthy eating habit. An adequate establishment of gut microbiota and its maintenance throughout life is necessary. That would help in good performance, reduce the risk of diseases in early and late life. Good part is an affected microbiome can be replenished moreover. But in certain cases, it can't be reverted to a healthy gut microbiome. So listen to your gut. In my next video, I will share with you how you can replenish and maintain your gut. Here I end with today's talk. If you would like to watch more such videos on nutrition, health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.